Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the newly released bonding device from Livebox. To say about the Livebox bonding device, it is the only bonding hardware that allows the bonding mechanism to happen through multiple methods. As well, the way it provides fast internet with the low latency is incomparable to any other device available in the market. And also, the Livebox bonding unit provides 100% encryption, so one need not to worry about privacy and security while using this device. And one more additional factor about this device is, though the device is operated through PC, yet it has an inbuilt mini display that displays the real-time status of your bonded internet connections and the detailed view of bandwidth used by individual SIM cards. And finally, having all these attributes, still this device can be purchased at the lowest cost in the market. So now let me move on to the technical handling of this bonding device. In the first place, connect your bonding device and your PC using the LAN cable. Then you can go to your browser, and by using this IP, you can access the device interface on your PC. Because this 192.168.95.1 is the default IP of this device. So now let's have a look at the Livebox bonding interface. Initially, while getting this bonding device subscription, you will be provided by the IB7 team the login credentials and the other details to configure your device. So to begin the bonding process, you have to first log in using the credentials provided. And once you log in, you can go on further by configuring your device by entering the provided server IP and server key in settings. And as I told you before, the IB7 team will be providing you the server IP and server key, so you can just enter here, and then if you click on this gear icon, here you can also choose the bonding type according to your usage, but still the default type works the best and suits the most. So after setting up all these things, you can click on the submit and your server gets rebooted automatically, and then you can go back to the dashboard and get started with your internet bonding. So after configuring your server, you can insert SIM cards on the device. So now if you have a look here, you can see the SIM cards I have inserted and its status. And also it shows the Ethernet speed as well as the hotspot speed, and both of its download and upload speed. And then you have one more important settings to do. That is, you have to set the type for your SIM cards. So if you click on this drop down menu, here you have a few options. That is, when using the multiple data cards, we should set one SIM card as the master and it will function as the main SIM card. Then you can set one backup SIM card. That is, when the master SIM card fails, then the backup becomes the master. Then coming to the on option, if you turn on a SIM, then that SIM card data will be combined to the master SIM card. And finally, the off option is to turn off the SIM. So this is the way you can set up your SIM cards for the internet bonding process. And then if you want to change your device password, you can go to change password and do it here. And while changing your password, always make a note of your changed password, as the old passwords cannot be retrieved. Then we have Wi-Fi settings here. So here I have the hotspot option enabled. Just like how the Wi-Fi and hotspot option works on your mobile phones, the same way it works here too. So if you turn on the hotspot option and provide the password, then the external device can make use of your bonded internet. And in the case if you want to combine even more data to the bonding process, then you can use the Wi-Fi option to get internet to combine from the external device or LAN. And then if you go to the service monitor, you can stop or restart your bonding device services, or you can also reset factory for all the services. And if you want to reboot, you can use this button, and to reset the server factory, you can use this button. So this is all about the newly released bonding device from Livebox, and to know more about Livebox, visit livebox.co.in.
Hi friends, this is Nitya. In this video, I'm going to share about how to build your own CDN setup using this live box streaming server. So to setting up your own CDN, first basically you need to know the Origin edge server concept. Actually, it is a simple concept. That is, the Origin server will be in one place and the edge server will be placed in another place. So the data will be shared between this Origin and edge server. So let's see a scenario like Origin server is placed in Chennai office. So I'm streaming to that Origin server and most of my customers are in US. So what they will do to watch my streaming, they will retrieve from the Origin server, that is from this Chennai office. So that the latency will be very high. When they watch the streaming, the quality will be very low. So what we are going to do is we are going to set up an edge server in the US office. So we are setting it up so that the US customers will retrieve the stream from the edge server itself, that is from the US office itself, so that the latency will be very low and the streaming will be in the HD quality. This Livebox streaming server will always have a constant internet speed, that is above the 1000 Mbps. So that data shared between this origin and edge server will be done very easily. So setting up your CDN using this Libos streaming server is very much cost effective comparing to other servers. Commonly we cannot check the speed of the servers, but in this Libos server we have a built-in speed test so that the server speed can be checked and the speed of the server is transparent. Let's see the speed of this Livebox streaming server. So go to the system page and this is the speed test page. So click on this go button. See, this is the download speed and upload speed of this Livebox streaming server. For server, the main thing is upload speed. So see, the upload speed is about 2000 Mbps. So now I'm going to show you, and this is the origin server, and next this is the edge server. So first I'm going to stream to this origin server. To stream I need a streaming software. So I'm going for the OBS Studio software. This is the OBS Studio software. Go to the source, click this add symbol and choose the media source. Then click OK and browse the local file. Choosing this file and click on the open. Then click OK. Now the video gets playing in the OBS Studio software. So first I need to connect this OBS streaming software to my origin server. So first create a channel, give a channel name, stream name and a password and submit it. Channel added successfully, then click OK. Then go to the dashboard. Channel gets created and the rtmp URLs are also generated. Go to the manage channels page and select the channel we have created now, that is TTV, and click on this streaming URL button. And the first one is that rtmp URL. So copy this URL, click OK and go to the studio software. Go to this settings page. This is the general page and the next is the stream page and paste it in the URL tab. And the last stream name and password are the stream key. So copy it and paste it and save it. So now it's ready to stream on the origin server. So click on the start streaming button. Now let's go to the origin server, and in this Livebox server we have a new facility to preview the live. So this is a previewing player. Click on the play button. So you can see the preview from this server itself. So next we need to push the data from this origin server to the edge server. So go to the edge server and create a channel, NTV, and stream name and a password, and then submit it. Now the channel is added successfully. Click OK. Go to the manage channels page and select the channel we have created, that is NTV. Now we need to copy this channel's rtmp URL and connect it with the origin server. So click on this streaming URL button. So first one is the rtmp URL. Copy the rtmp URL. Click OK. And now go to the origin server. Then go to the edit a channel page. In this page, there is a push destinations. So you need to click on this add symbol and you can stream on Facebook, YouTube. So now we are going to connect it with the server. So we can choose this external rtmp server. Click on this, then you can paste that rtmp URL and submit. The rtmp URL is added successfully. So click OK. Now we have connected the origin server and the edge server. So let's go to the edge server and see the preview. So now we are seeing the preview from this edge server. The video player and chat are embedded in this Livebox streaming server. So let's go to the embed code page. And the first one is for the player and down it is for chat. So copy the embed code. Click OK. Then go to your website. Go to the source page and paste that embed code here. And then click update. So now in your own website, a video player gets generated. So click on this play button. Now you can see the live video. Easily you can set up your CDN using this Livebox streaming server. It is very much cost effective too. So thank you for watching this video.